Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can pass parameters to your function in or functions in Python. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And by the way guys, if you want to support my channel, you can head on over to patreon.com/commoncode and you can support the channel, and you will also have access to many courses, and you will also have access to exclusive content and educational videos. So let's get started. Now we have this function in Python. This is a very simple function in Python that just prints out a simple string. But what if we want to pass data to this function? How can we do that? How can we pass data to this function? How can we kind of tell this function, hey function, get this piece of data and do something with it? How can we do that? Well, all you need to do is that you need to pass what you want to pass in the body of the function, in the parentheses here. So for example, let's say that we want to pass a parameter or variable called here user. So this is this parameter represents the name of the user. So you can now, after you pass it, you can use it here in the body of the function. So you can either print that user name here, or do whatever you want with it. For example, this is going to be useful if you want to kind of store this user in your database, or use it in other functions. So it's going to be useful in this case, and also in case you want just to display it here by passing it to the print function. It's also helpful to do that. So let's now call this function. But the anything, nothing is going to be displayed here. Let me show you that. Let me run my script. As you can see here, first of all, we are going to get an error because we didn't pass anything. So in order to get around this error, you have two options. The first option is that you can set a default value to this parameter. So for example here, equals to, and then an empty string. This is going to be the default value. So if nothing has been passed to this function, it's just going to use the default value. So if you save now and run your script, it's gonna here say hi there. So since nothing has been passed as a parameter, it's gonna use the default parameter. It's gonna use the default value. And if you pass something here, for example, if you pass a name here, my name, for example, if I pass my name, and if I save and run my script one more time, it's gonna print my name here. So it got my name because I passed my name, and then it passed that name to the print function and printed out my name. So this is how it works. This is how you can pass a parameter to your function. And by the way, you aren't limited to passing one parameter. You can pass as many parameters as you want. So you can here add comma and then pass another parameter. For example, website. And then you can here pass the website. So my website, commoncode.com. And you can of course pass it here and print it on the screen by using the print function and then website. Now if I save and run my script, guess what? It should here print my name, but I got an error because here I must pass the default as the last parameter, because this is how it works. But you have two options. The first option is to pass the parameter that has a default value at the end, or you can simply just remove the default value. And if you run your script one more time, it's going to work obviously, and it's going to display my name as well as my website. So it worked. And let me show you how to solve the problem that I had earlier by using the default value. You need to pass the default value the parameter that has the default value at the end. So here user and then equals to and then the default value. And of course you need to replace this, switch these two values. And now if you save and run, there is no error, so it worked. So this is how you can pass parameters to your function and use it in your function. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions about this tutorial or previous tutorials, leave your questions in your comment section below. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.